Good morning, guys. So Jason wake up. Well, Jason woke up probably 20 minutes ago. Me hear when you wake.
No.
Once me get up and go in the bathroom, Jason wake up. Me gear breast. No, me must have gear breast.
No, you're lying.
Baby, I wake up 20 minutes ago.
Just wait, look when you come in.
Babe, why can't? Wow, guys, me glad me did a record him. Me did a record him behind your back. The booger yo.
Listen. You know, better tell me what me did I do.
So guys, for the longest while, when I asked for morning routine in our new house, baby, think anything change up down here from up there? So we do a morning time.
I have to think into it. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
Bro, you see how my string? You see?
Yes,
You just do look well.
but it's the accent what
You
you
just
say.
do look well.
Babe, my nose feel like it a go sneeze.
Might be pop off that nose there.
My nose feel like it a go sneeze.
Oh, what I try to say? My beard last yesterday, so you know what I go and do that,
You beard them out?
Oh, listen, by now this my winter fresh mouth here.
I know they are kick like Jackie Chan.
You know about that talk. You know about that talk. I'm a side house them start.
Just you to lie.
Man.
It will exactly to put them back to life. Oh no. I fall in the shoes.
I know that alone. Just make it all go brush it happily.
Babe, we're gonna do devotion.
No man, God no want to see we God no want to smell we break
It's
son this man.
No.
No, him never say come at the week, man say come in no matter how you stay.
Exactly, no matter how
Yeah, but we know we can do better by brushing our teeth. Imagine go looking at our face. Hey Jesus, good man. Just lock off everything to bro.
Jesus said so.
Listen, me grow no better than that. This is all you do, America. You know, tell them that. So you mean I bed and really, you just want to go and hook up and feel up and kiss up.
No matter how long your partner talk, you're gonna learn something new about them every day.
What you learn yesterday?
All along, turn on the face so.
I don't know why you
Just turn me show them something now. All along, me I play with Jason ears and me think him like, cause up here is my favorite spot. Turn your ears
yeah, me run you every single time I put your hand up there so. You know that?
Up here is my favorite spot. So I go like this and I bend it. This is my favorite style. I bend it and go so with my finger. But then I find out I love down here. So.
I always tell you I like when you put your hand up there so. You not listen.
Down here so not feel right. For all of the ears love of them.
You got me ears, my girl. Make everybody all up in my morning so. Put them up there so man. That smell good I put them up in my face.
Down here so lame. It just feel like me I play with your CD bag. I saw down here so give me that vibe there. Alright, so we're gonna start the morning right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a morning devotion. And every morning we do this. Like sometimes I really don't remember. But it started out good last week, I remember. I did around here and do my devotion. And then got so distracted, and that is something what we need for work on day. We're gonna start off with one prayer chorus. Create in me a clean heart, oh Lord, and renew a right spirit within me.
Create in me a clean heart, oh Lord, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, O Lord, and take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore unto me the joy of my salvation, and renew a right spirit within me.
Alright, we're gonna read. I wanted us to read this together, so I'm gonna just find it. So it's Psalms 25, verse 1. Unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul.
O my God, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed. Let not mine enemies triumph over me.
Let none of that wait on thee be ashamed. Let them be ashamed which transgress without cause.
Show me thy ways, O Lord. Teach me thy paths.
The meek will he guide in judgment, and the meek will he teach his way.
All the paths of the Lord are mercy and truth unto such as keep his covenant and his testimonies.
For thy name's sake, O Lord, pardon my iniquity, for it is great.
What man is he that feareth the Lord? Him shall he teach in the way that he shall choose.
His soul shall dwell at ease, and his seed shall inherit the earth.
The secret of the Lord is with them that fear him, and he will show them his covenant.
Thanks be to God. Babe, I'm going to ask you to pray.
Father God, as we come here to you today, we want to thank you for mercy first and foremost, because just to know that we're still here is one of the biggest blessings one can ever have right now in this time. So many have passed, so many have come close to pass, but we are still here. So I want to give thanks for your mercies towards who are still here. Thank you for your blessings. Thank you for things that you've granted. Thank you for things that you withheld. Because sometimes, even in not giving us something, it's still a blessing. Because sometimes what we think we want is not what we want. So Father, I want to thank you for the blessings. I want to thank you for giving us life. I want to thank you for good people in our life, for us to have someone to lean on. Thank you for those who are dear. Thank you for those who aren't even there anymore. Because sometimes life is all about lessons. So we give thanks for those who came as lessons, because it's either a lesson or still a lesson, whether it's a good lesson or a bad lesson. We thank you for putting it in our hearts today to come and have devotion once again. I hope this will be like a regular thing, because it's very good when we can turn and say thank you, because a lot of times we want to act like we do everything of ourselves, which it's not always like that, because if God didn't allow it, it wouldn't happen. Because if we don't have any life, there's nothing there to happen. So I just want to say thank you for the blessings, thank you for the people in our lives, thank you for the people who are not there, thank you for the lessons, especially because last year, this year, year before taught us a lot. So if it taught me anything, it taught me to be thankful. So amen.
Amen. So that is the end of our morning devotion. We're going to get straight into it. We're going to spread the bed, and then we're going to sort out ourselves in the bathroom. So come along with us.
So Ian just done clean up the room. You see? I help her do, I help her a little bit, you see? So I think it's time for we brush our teeth now. You see? So
Leave! Leave! Babe, you know me a fish.
people she busy right now.
Leave! Close the door.
And this happen every morning. Don't forget to use air freshener.
Leave me alone.
Alright, so in the meanwhile, get a one fruit no, and go and live up my day. Alright, I'm sure now I'm going to my feet. See, we don't know what to call this now in the country, but we call this fruit. Is it? And we don't really eat fruit like this in the country. Isn't it? I'll show you how we do this thing. Alright. I'll show you how we eat them fruit. You see? Because we don't really eat your fruits are like how other people. You see it? Alright, so okay. Alright, that's it.
guys, so just finished brush my teeth, wash my face. Now mega bed. If you wonder why I wrap it around me so much, you know when you towel off YouTube, we think you not have on no clothes. Not play with them, none at all. But mega bed right now. In regards to the rest of the house, everything is in place. This area, not normally untidy, none at all. I always try my best to keep it clean. So everything is in place right now. The kitchen though, Jason gonna come sort out the kitchen and stuff like that so I can make breakfast. It's pretty early same way because we woke up from 7, you know, and just get stuff done. We not be lazy today. So Jason gonna do the kitchen meanwhile me a bed.
All kids stay out.
Him say in there say man cave. So really and truly, I don't if me not have to go in there, me not go in here. Alright guys, so I just finished bed and I gonna make my edge right now, them baby area, because I might go on the road. The house kind of run out of stuff, you know, so I want to go grab one and two things, the important stuff them will run out, like dishwashing liquid almost finished. We don't have any hand towel, we don't have any bleach, and I just need to go get back little stuff right now. So I'm gonna make my edge. I bought this edge control, somebody suggested to me, and I mean it's okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, 6, but I give it a 6, 7, 6.5. You know what? I'm gonna put on with some roll on first, cause oh guys, talking about deodorant. So the other day I ran into a very nice supporter, a lady. She said, Iandra, are you that? You know how long I want to see it, in halfway tree. I think her name is Verona, something like that. And she said, you smell so good. And that girl feel good, you know. I feel good, so I'm just putting on to what I use. Nothing special about what I use. So right now, I use one nice little shower gel bead, one cheap one I'm buying at one store. Smell really good. It smell like apple. And I use this deodorant. I use Cool Comfort. So I buy deodorant, I ask Cool Comfort. And this is my go-to spray. It had done, but this is my go-to spray. So if you smell me, at this my have on, like on a regular day, at this my have on. I use this every day. Smells so good. And for the lotion, I use this. The lotion here, I use like almost every day. But that's how I use. And if you're watching this, thank you so much. And a day now when me and Jason are gonna do something special or a little date, we use a tubs of this. Look like just a perfume. I not really love it. It smells good, but it's strong. It's too strong. But a very kind supporter got me this for my birthday. And guys, may I tell you now, me pinch it. I know it not even look like it move. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. She got me some other goodies, and she got Jason something for his birthday as well. Move on to the baby ear. If you hear the fan on the background, sorry guys, in your hot. But with the baby ear them, I don't do nothing special. I just brush them in with my toothbrush. No man, a toothbrush stiff, man. I don't do nothing special. I just want it to look like one stop. Like a, you know, kind of here you with the comb. Guys, I'm really not good for the whole baby hair thingy. I mean, you know the fancy, you know, I like the fancy baby hair. Just scoop them in and I mean that. I mean, not even matter. Not even matter. Just no one to hold it. Stand down this corner, sorry. But just want to see them brushing and I look like me never on the road, I come and wake up. And to the lady who got me these goodies, thank you so much again. I did message her and tell her thanks, but the facts of me, you know, me I show no, I just want to tell her thanks again. Big up yourself, really appreciate it. Right now the time I run very fast. Jason I finished the dishes yet, but now it's 9:40. So me go and prep some stuff for breakfast. As I said, I don't know what for breakfast, but anything me find, me go whip it up real quick. dishes. When I probably see that already, they leave the camera recording. But Jason did the dishes and he made tea. Can't even blame him because I went outside to talk to the landscaping guy. Just to ask him what is what. It's a bad 50 minutes chop out of my morning. So I can't even blame Jason. He made tea. He did ask me if I want tea, but I never did hear properly. So he make him tea. Plus, I never did want no melon or them there. I'm gonna make some mint tea. And yeah, it be like that sometimes. So I'm gonna just drink tea and crackers. However, I never did a plan to make no breakfast because as I said, I need for the shopping for food and stuff like that. Still gonna go and do it. Jason is in the bathroom right now. I'm gonna bathe and stuff and put himself together because I know I'm telling you we are up on the road. Guys, when you remember the thing when I did I used to get the water out of the bottle, now I change it and I use this and it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's convenient to me. So what I do is I show you what I so I carry it up, press the button, and then carry it down and rest it. Voila! Not bad. And it's pretty cheap. I pay $2,000 for this. Right now Jason in man cave, so I just allow him for being there because we have to each up on each other 24/7. Plus I love days like this because we're always up and down and try to get something done. You know, both of we have different stuff to take care of. So right now the best part is in bed already and me bed already, and this is how I go work up on the road because I just supermarket I go grab one and two stuff. So when I'm ready I can just jump up. That was a mouthful. But you remember I said I want to show you guys something. So meet Becca. This is my baby. My vlogging camera. It's small because it's a vlogging camera. Yes, her name is Becca. So welcome Becca to the family. This is a Canon M50. I'm so grateful right now. I'm so emotional. Boy, when I get the camera, I'm a seed set. Yo, that's gonna be another story time. If you want a story time about that, comment and let me know. I'm gonna give you a story time how the camera come about and everything about the camera here. But I'm super grateful. I'm just excited for doing a better quality videos, and why am I grateful, guys? We have tried it a long time, you know. So when I gonna get an upgrade, I'm not happy. I know I'm not happy. I know I'm not happy. So I'm showing them. Hey guys. So yeah, that's that. I'm just grateful right now. I'm not like, Father, you bless me and I have to acknowledge. I am super excited to give you guys better quality videos. Thank you guys for always supporting me. You know, a whole heap of stuff are come up in our life. I'm excited for the summer already. You know, I couldn't see everything we have gone and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm really excited. So as of probably tomorrow, because I'm not gonna get the vlog here today, as of tomorrow I'm not gonna get better quality videos. Alright guys, so right now I'm there at Clarendon, I'm there National, because my sister called me, my little sister. She want snack. So I'm gonna pick up some snack for her and just pick up my little stuff, them like my tissue and my bleach. Because I don't want much stuff. So Kadisha help me because Kadisha have 2 kids, you understand? I joke me it, guys. Guys, vote. Which syrup tastes better? Mesa Prime and Cal's. Cal's not bad either. But for them, this I always see mommy buy. Orange one. Which one better? This or this? Fruit punch. Mango passion.
Mango passion.
No, may I
Melon
take this.
cherry.
Like what them. Alright guys, so we finished. Thank you so much, Kadisha.
You're welcome.
Well, I really appreciate the help. And then Jason could have come in because in the park I did the same of stay in the car in case Pow come. But I got everything and I pick up my few items them when I did one for my house. So right now I'm gonna just go over mommy and we're gonna make our way back up because I need to go off a tree go collect something. So yeah. I have something to go collect off a tree. So if you don't see me back, you know say vlog done.